Today's TFCU Quick Tip will focus on ProPay, a fast and easy way to make loan payments. First, visit our website at tauntonfcu.com. In the top right-hand corner, click Loan Payment. Then scroll down and hit Accept, acknowledging you are leaving our website and going to a third-party website. Input the email that you have provided to TFCU along with the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Search. Click Register on the loan you are paying. The next screen should populate your basic info. Scroll down and pick a 4-digit PIN you'll be using to log in going forward. You can also select your notification options on this screen. Next, you will automatically see the amount due, or you can enter an alternate payment amount. You would then select the payment method from the available options. Please note, with the debit card, there is a fee, or you can use your bank account information for no charge. At the bottom right-hand corner, you can set up recurring payments. Once complete, submit your payment and you will automatically receive an email confirmation of payment being processed.
As always, if further assistance is needed, visit our website for more information or contact TFCU and speak with a call center specialist today.